This is how it happened when you are rebuilding in Trenton, New Jersey. Things is happening here. Tear down the whole one. Who knows what's gonna come here next? There's a lot planned to put anything. So you better hold on to what you had in New Jersey, because this place gonna develop so fast. You won't see it with your own eyes and don't believe it. So we out here, we on the job. City, Trenton, New Jersey. Gotta put the water in it just to make we don't have all that dust. This is what the water for, to calm the dust down. Tearing down the whole house.